Hi, we have Dr. Amitt Nenwani, Managing Director, Shivtek Spechemi Industries Limited with us. Satra, welcome to Indian Chemical News.
Thank you, my pleasure.
How has been the growth journey so far, and where do you see yourself in next 5 years?
So, regarding Shivtek Spechemi Industries Limited, we started in 1986 by my father. It's a family-owned business. We started somewhere in 1986. Now we are completing 40 years of our production. We started with 60 tons per month, and now we are over 10,000 tons per month. So, I could say the journey has been phenomenal for us.
And what is the expansion strategy and the capex earmarked for that?
So expansion, if we say, we are doubling our capacity in next 2 years, and then we are coming up with some new products which we usually import from primarily China. So India imports primarily for China. We are trying to manufacture those products in India, and our growth strategy is we'll be investing around 600 crores in next 3 to 4 years, and to build up new capacities of products which are not primarily produced in India but usually imported.
So you have been very active on R&D front as well, as you mentioned. So what new products you are going to launch in the market?
So we are launching chlorinated polyethylene, which is one of its kind product. We are usually importing it from China. So we'll be manufacturing that product in India. Then we are coming up with chlorinated PVC, that is CPVC, which is basic raw material for plumbing pipes. Regarding the new products, we have already launched green plasticizer. So all these products basically not only are good for Indian economy but are sustainable also.
How it is going to make India Atmanirbhar?
So our primary focus is Atmanirbhar only, because we are focusing on Make in India. That's why we are choosing the products which India is usually importing. So by doing such production in India, we are supporting the cause of our Honorable Prime Minister, that Make in India.
So currently, what is the proportion of domestic versus overseas market in terms of contribution to your overall revenue?
So our revenue, if you say per se, we export around 30 to 40% of our volumes to 75 countries worldwide. Rest 60% is for domestic use.
And what are the key markets?
For us, key markets is pharma, for plastic industry, pharma industry, and agrochemical industry.
In terms of geographical
Geographical, if you say, then we are very focused in South America, Middle East, and Southeast Asia.
Your revenue target is telling 5,000 crore.
Yeah.
By when? And how you are going to achieve that target?
See, we are already sitting at around 1,000 crores of revenue. And with the new capacities coming up and the new plants coming up, we are seeing in next 3 to 4 years, we are seeing a jump of our turnover from 1,000 to 5,000 crores.
And how sustainability initiatives you are incorporating in manufacturing as well as supply chain?
All our plants are ZLD, that is zero liquid discharge plants, and we are focusing more and more on green chemistries now. So green chemistries are sustainable chemistries. Certain products like chlorinated polyethylene, what we are bringing in, is a primary raw material for WPC, that is artificial wood. So obviously when we produce more and more of artificial wood, we are cut the natural wood. So by that we are supporting more and more of green chemistry.
Digital transformation is one of the major things that has been helping companies on overall fronts. What sort of digitalization you are adopting?
You mean to say AI, use of AI?
Yes.
So AI, yes. So we are using a lot of AI into our R&D. So we have, just now we have signed with Mr. Tushar Bagul, who is PhD in organic chemistry, and he has several patents under his name. He has just joined the board, so he'll be helping us with R&D, and he is using lots of AI to build newer products at a cheaper scale. So what we are focusing at is to build a new product, a newer chemistry, a greener chemistry with less, you can say, capex.
And what is your take on the ongoing global things like India, EU FTA, India-US trade deal and other things?
India-EU trade deal and Indian-US trade deal would help us a lot in a way where certain chemistries which we are not able to understand better, we will be able to import those chemistries better. And then because since Make in India policy, we have so much, the cost of production is so low in India that it would be good for us to send those materials back to Europe and back to US.
Yes. And in terms of, like, if you see growth, how it is going to be in next 5 years?
In specialty chemical segment, I see a growth of minimum 10 to 15% every year on year, and which we have been seeing in last 5 years also. Post-COVID, the specialty chemical market has, has been growth centric, and this we see for next 10 years also. It will be growth centric.
And any message that you would like to give to industry, or any expectations,
My
demand from the government?
My message to industry would be very simple. We are on a mission. Our honorable Prime Minister is on the mission to make everything in India, and I truly and wholeheartedly support that mission. And I would request my all fellow industry leaders to follow that mission. Let's make India at a number one position in manufacturing.